cold. Nice.
Gorgeous. Almost as gorgeous as me.
There's no refrigerator.
There's no refrigerator.
And there's nowhere to put one.
I'm sure there's a refrigerator somewhere. Cabinets. Cabinets. Okay. If I were a refrigerator, where would I be? Here it is. I told you it was a refrigerator.
Yeah, it's dirty.
Silly rabbit. This is probably a freezer.
Oh, they separated them now. That's different. What is this?
Like dog food.
Maples, beef, rest. Yeah.
Farmer's dog.
Why though?
I've been wanting to try it.
Is that a paint or a TV? That's a TV. Yeah.
I would say that's a library type situation. Yeah, this is like, you know, living on here, yeah. Oh, they got balls. Never seen balls. Fancy. Okay. All right. Ooh, this is nice. I like it.
Do you?
Get off my tail, Nick. Oh, look at that landscaping. I dig it.
Oh yeah, that's dope.
Make sure you edit this into it. This is pretty.
Yeah, that's dope.
You know what? You might be right, but that's probably another reason why I don't watch certain videos because they move too slow. But I'm just a natural fast mover. I don't know how to slow. Because I will fast forward a video in a minute. I guess to the point. Oh, this is pretty.
Looks art vanish.
Oh,
Shoot, it don't open. I'm gonna break it.
please don't. Well, this got the same. No, not like the other one. Okay. Here goes another one.
Mm-hmm. Do not move. Stays with house.
in this house. Okay. Don't move that.
Oh, that wasn't a master, was it? No.
I don't think so.
This is the master. Okay.
I thought it was gonna be another closet. I like the lights coming to down. Like it gives me an entrance. I feel like I'm making an
Oh,
entrance.
do you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's the bathroom. It's not as well. No, that's pretty big.
That's a big shower. What you call the dang thing?
Shower head.
Yeah. The gracious, bro. I'm blunt to that. All that work got me.
Mm-hmm.
You know. Now let me say. This is the his and hers that I like.
That's a nice top too.
Instead of two sink heads, I prefer my own sink, your own sink.
They got that toilet that wash your booty.
Stay out there. You got a toilet that wash your booty?
With a remote.
Oh, I got a remote to wash your booty.
Yeah. Look, see? The butt wash.
Oh, front,
Got
back.
the front wash.
Oh, okay. Well, your cootie cat and your booty be queen. Alright. We'll leave that over here. We got a nice size closet. I do like this. But that last house, that closet was eating. Okay?
No, I don't know about it. It was bigger for sure.
It was for sure bigger. It was eating, period.
Wasn't that much
Because
bigger.
where is your clothes gonna go?
Everywhere.
You know what I'm saying? This is just enough space for me.
Might
But
be
again, the dramatic lights all the way out.
might be another closet.
Ooh, pretty. I like the drapes.
Well, maybe it's not another closet.
It's not.
It's not.
Quiet yourself, young man.
Whatever. Who?
Come on, Bo. Yeah. It's a little space, but
Oh yeah, the apartment over there.
this is a front view to be all up in their business. It's crazy. They know all the tea that happened in the back there. Okay. It's a pretty big bathroom for
Right, this the oh
This is a Jack and Jill.
yeah, cause it's the other bedroom. They got a decent closet.
Oh,
Okay.
another man, please like it.
It's definitely not a closet.
Looks like one of them. Okay. This is fine.
Come on. You be an extra.
I'm just asking. See, that's why I can't be considered them niggas villains.
Definitely can't.
Just like that.
Just do.
Shut up, I throw this camera at you. Now I keep seeing laundry rooms on the same floor, which I love the concept, but they're always small.
I ain't never seen
This is a good size
These door handles is fire.
flyer.
Fire, I said.
Oh. Yeah, they're all through the house. I do enjoy them.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it is so fancy anyway. Okay. 2 bedrooms, we go. What do we got, about 3 bedrooms?
I think it's
The
1,
Jack and Jill.
2, 3,
It's
4. 4 up here.
Okay, so it's 4. So you got Jack and Jill, the master, and we got this one, which is pretty decent size.
This light is dope.
It is. I can dig it. Finish. Alright.
Yeah, this dope. Carpeted. I like even more.
I love a finished basement because why do you have it?
I wouldn't do carpet though, just because the simple fact if it flood is over.
Yeah.
But I guess you can always
These doorknobs look like they signature.
recop.
What does this one feel like?
That's the theme around the whole house.
Mm-hmm.
Glass everywhere.
Yeah. they
Even the
did that.
chandeliers.
They did that.
They did it. TV area.
Because that TV hanging here, but
More space. Man.
okay.
You can put more
What
stuff
they
in here.
do with
It's nice.
yeah. Hide and seek will be lit.
Man. Nobody will never win.
Not a very pleasurable view here, but it does what it's supposed
It's
to
an
do.
egress window.
Mm-hmm. Got the little ladder for you
Yeah, because
in case you need to escape and get going.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, there is an apartment attached. Come.
oh, I gotta lock the side and come out the front.
Come, right?
Just follow me. Move. Put a couple cameras, a few cameras in here. That's it.
Little mini fridge. Little living area.
It's dope.
Little bathroom. Oh, there's no bedroom. So I guess that's the bedroom. So that's the bedroom. Kinda. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, it's dope.
So the next time they want to be like, get out my house, come right back here.
This is the
I'm
bedroom.
out your house, mama.
I love this. This would be a dope art studio.